So in my computer keyboard I turn on the number lock. Now you can see on the left side of the space bar this alt key. I press and hold this alt key. I am not removing my finger from this alt key. After that I am going to type here 1 2 8 2 8 5. After that I release my finger from this alt key. So you can see that we have created this symbol. So if you tap like that in your Microsoft Word, then you can see that top with upwards arrow above, top with upwards arrow above. You can create this symbol using keyboard shortcut Alt 128285. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.